Hello you guys, welcome to my channel that's Healthify Plus. So today I just created this look right here. It's perfect for teenagers who are going to school or college. Even it's perfect for those adults who are going for office but on their places much makeup are not necessary or not allowed. On those purpose this is a perfect look which you can create for day-to-day basis. So if you really want to know what are the product I used to get this look, then please keep on watching. Hi guys, so before start off with your skincare or makeup routine, I will suggest you to take your all hair and put it on a bun. But here I am using a clip to just take off all the hair from my forehead so that while I will use my product, it will not disturb me. Remember one thing, always keep all your hair from your forehead, otherwise it can cause you hair fall because our skincare product are not made for our hair care. So first I am pressing my skin, which will activate the blood circulation, and the first product what we are using here is Cetaphil moisturizing cream. You can literally use any kind of moisturizing cream according to your skin type. I am a very sensitive skin tone person, so for me this cream works really fine. It doesn't have any kind of extra added fragrance or color. You can use aloe vera gel, orange gel according to your skin concern and your preference. Don't forget to keep the moisturizer on your neck as well as your ear. The second ingredient, of course, sunscreen. We cannot step out without a sunscreen, guys. Here I am using the Dermaco sunscreen. It's really nice. Remember one thing, guys. Whenever you are doing a no makeup look, basically you are not using any kind of foundation or anything, that time try to use a sunscreen which will give you little bit of coverage, like this Dermaco one. This is Dermaco Pure Zinc Matte Sunscreen Gel SPF 60. It's really good and give you a very nice sun protection. Don't forget to use these all the exposed area like your neck, hand, ears, whatever exposed area you are having. So that's it, guys. Now this is our second step. Now the third thing which I'm going to use here, it's everybody's favorite. Everybody use this thing in their life at least once. That is Johnson Baby Powder. And as you can see, I'm not putting it all over my face. I'm just putting it underneath my eyes and the T-zone of my face, basically the forehead, my chin and my nose. This is called T-zone of your face because I'm a combination oily skin type person, so my T-zone is getting oily very soon. That is why I'm putting to just mattifying and sucks off all the oil. Now I just came little zoom in front of the camera to show you. I am putting my kajal on just inner portion of my upper waterline. I will not put it on lower lash line. I will just put it on my upper lash line. Whenever you are trying to create a no makeup look, always put it top of your eyelids. Otherwise, it can look again little bit of made up. What we just trying to do here, make our whole look altogether presentable. At that same time, it should look like we didn't put any kind of makeup, any kajal or anything. That's why I'm putting it on top of my eyes, and it will just instantly give you a very bright pop-up eyes. As you can see, I'm not using any kind of mascara or anything in this look. This is from Maybelline, guys. Again, it's a waterproof version of it. You can use literally any kajal according to your choice. And the final thing here is lipstick. I cannot live without lipstick, guys. Lipstick is my favorite makeup product. Here I'm using the Lakme one. Whenever you are doing a no makeup look, people are there who love to use nude lipstick. Even I also do. But here I'm using a red lipstick to just pop up hold together the all look, because I didn't use any kind of makeup, so I need little bit of color on my face to just make my whole face look little bit of presentable, brighter and nice. That is why I put this. And now I am going to use little bit of hair serum. This is from Strix. You can literally use any kind of hair serum. You can skip the hair serum part. You can use aloe vera gel, coconut oil, little bit of almond oil or argan oil, anything as per your choice. Today I just feel to use little bit of serum because my hair is feeling little bit of frizzy, but I will not comb my hair. I will just part my hair in two sections because I want my whole looks to look like little bit of casual and effortless. That is why I will not comb my whole hair. I will just keep it as messy as it is right now. And as you can see, I just part my hair in two sections, and I will be keeping my one section in front and one section in back. And now you can just finish the look over here. But I am a hair care junkie, guys. I just love hair accessories altogether. I just love hair clips, hair brand and hair all those accessories. Here I'm using these yellow hair clips from those all clips academy. So I'm just putting it like this. You can just literally put one clip or finish the look, but as you can see, this a little bit of element just changed the whole entire look of mine. Oh, I just left a little bit of powder there. I removed that. So that's all guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this kind of videos. Normally I love to put makeup, but not day-to-day basis. For day-to-day basis, I love to keep my look as simple as it is right now. So if you like, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching my videos guys. If you really like such kind of content like skincare, makeup care or hair care hacks, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I will come up with such kind of exciting content again with my channel, but this is my first ever YouTube channel as well as my first ever YouTube video. If you really like such kind of content, please support my channel. Subscribe my channel, share my videos with your friends and family. I really need all of your support guys. Thank you very much for watching. I will come up with next episode. Till then, take care. Bye bye.